Hi, today our topic is key performance indicators in fleet management. So let's see what is fleet management is, and then its important performance indicators to find out the efficiency and the effectiveness of our fleet in a supply chain management. Fleet management is the process businesses use to manage all fleet and assets information from acquisition through its disposal. This also enables our business to reduce costs, improve efficiency, and ensures compliances across an entire fleet operation. So this fleet management is to taking care of your fleet and checking its efficiency and its effectiveness through the information we are getting, and then purpose is to make it more efficient and effective. Fleet managers usually use these factors to define key performance measures. It includes cost, quality of service, timeliness of service, customer satisfaction, safety, regulatory compliances, and fleet utilization and fleet appearance. So these are the few factors upon which fleet managers uh, define or check the performance of its fleet. To make it more easier and effective our uh, performance measurement of our fleet, we we divide the categories of metrics of fleet into three different metrics. One is like regarding its productivity, then safety, and then sustainability. So these are the three categories we can divide our metrics for fleet management to check the performance of our fleet. So here we are going to discuss about few of the productivity metrics. Number one could be total mileage capacity versus actual mileage driven. So capacity versus usage, and then average distance vehicle is covering per month or per day or per, that depends upon you that when you want to check. Then again the third one is the revenue per mile driven. So it will shows the productivity of your fleet, that how much it is used, how much it has covered, and what is the money in a you have earned from this your asset. The next one is after productivity is safety metrics, which are very important. This is few of the things you can check and see that how safe your fleets are running. So, like one events per million miles or kilometer your vehicle is driven. That in one in or 100,000 miles or 100,000 kilometer, how many accident happens, the number of harsh braking events per driver per month, that how he has braked the your vehicle, number of harsh braking acceleration events per driver per month, average cost, completed repairs. So percentage of fault accident per driver per month, and percentage of repeat offenders in last 3 years. So number of events involving cell phone usage. So these all things are related to safety metrics, and you have devices in your fleet to check all these factors or accidents or incidents, and and then you can see that how safe your fleet is running. Okay, the next is sustainability matrix. It's becoming very important due to environmental regulations and compliances. So that is emissions per unit per month, miles driven per month, percentage of hybrid in your fleet, so and percentage of different cylinders vehicles. So these are contributing to your sustainability objectives of an organization. That is emission, mileage, and hybrid, and then how big or small your vehicles are in your fleet. After discussing the categories of your metrics, let's see what are the fleet management KPIs are. So, and how they are related to different performance measurements we have. So the number one is driver performance, then it's operational efficiency, then productivity, and the last one is the maintenance. So let's see one by one. So driver's performance KPIs are engine off and on, how many times he or she has turned on or off the engine, then speeding, acceleration and hard braking, idling, route adherence, and road safety compliance. So these are like few of the KPIs you have to see to check that how your driver is performing. Okay, the next is operational efficiency, that is vehicle total cost of ownership, which we call TCO, and then vehicles replacement cost, vehicle utilization, schedule adherence. So these are all things are for the monitoring of our operational efficiency, that how much a vehicle cost us, then how we will put the replacement cost, and then how we have used our vehicle, like I explained you in the beginning, and then schedule adherence, that what was the schedule and how the fleet has worked according to the schedule. Next is productivity KPIs, total mileage capacity versus actual mileage, actual miles driven, average distance per vehicle per month, and the revenue per mile driven. So these are like productivity KPIs which we have already seen before in this lecture. Okay, the next one is the maintenance, which is very important because this is one of the main expense or the determining the efficiency of our fleet. So that is like total vehicles breakdowns, vehicles part inventory used, and average maintenance downtime, and the vehicle diagnostic codes generated. So most of the modern vehicles we have is already generating these codes which tells us about all the maintenance what is happen. So then how many, for example, how we have 100 vehicles and how many vehicles are breakdown each day or something like that, and then part inventory use, how much parts are using in the, because that is a major cost, and then downtime in when they are not working, they are in workshop or they are at on the roads, disabled vehicles and things like that. So these all KPIs determine the running of our fleet. I have just discussed briefly few of the metrics and KPIs we used in fleet management generally. So, but you can develop your own customized KPIs or metrics to check to evaluate the performance of your drivers, your managers, your fleets or vehicles, and all the things related to your transportation. So if you have any question, please feel free to ask me, or then I will be very glad to answer. Thank you for your time.